Hey guys, how to get more views on Instagram, and this is a Instagram algorithm update. So how to get more views on your Instagram videos. Hi guys, my name is Dirk. Welcome to the Freedom Lifestyles Academy. If you're here for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you always stay updated from the latest news from Instagram and what's working for us. Every time we find something that is really great and works, I'm sharing that here on our YouTube channel. So how to get more views on Instagram, on your videos on Instagram, and this Instagram update. So if you know that Instagram and Facebook is one company, and then you have YouTube competition, right? So this is why Instagram is gonna favorite your video, because there is they have competition. They want to beat YouTube. So how do they do this? How can you really benefit from this? So if you have a business or if you have a story to share, if you want something out there in the world, and how can Instagram do that for you? Well, first of all, video is a great way to do that. And I want to show you, here is an account of mine. It's called Time Freedom Dad. Sorry about, I have a little bit dirty fingernails because I was working on our car and I don't get it off. So, but I want to share this with you. Anyway, so Time Freedom Dad is one of my accounts. And that one. So to be sure, if I shoot a video, a short video or share something with a video, let's say I had an anteater on the road in the night and I stopped and I post something like that, I have 850 views. This is a good one, you know, around 1,000 views, but that's it. What I did, that first video I wanted to show you. Look. 4,397 views. So it is definitely a big jump. And I've only been testing this. And I have to, you know, see what different times are doing, or a different cover. I just use the cover of the video, but you can edit the cover, right? So you can make really appealing and attractive covers that people really want to click on and listen to your message. So, but Instagram is helping you here. Instagram algorithms are helping you. They are pushing your message forward because they want to favorite, and you know, they want to have those videos up in front because they want to be competing. They are competing with YouTube, so you can really benefit from this. Is an algorithm, and algorithms can change. So it works right now, February 2019. So make use of it. Don't sit around and wait until 2020 and see if it still works. Use it today. And I don't know when you are seeing this video, and I hope, maybe if you're seeing this in 2020, who knows, it still works. Go and test it, because some things change, something changed over a long time. So really give this a shot and try this. If you're in our Instagram course, by the way, about automation, I have to make a side note here. You know, if you're building multiple accounts and reposting and stuff like that, if this video gets reposted, it does not have a link to your IGTV. So, but I'll get back to that later, so stay tuned. What will you do here is, what you do is you shoot your video like this, not like this, like this. Instagram IGTV needs vertical videos. So shoot your video, you know, just on your phone, and you have your video, right? There's also a video how you can do horizontal videos. I put it up here. Go and check out that video. This is how you can do a landscape video on IGTV. It worked great because you got a big more screen, but people can hold it like that. Check it out. So, but you shot your video because then you need, if you want to do it quick on your phone, you shoot your video. Then you go to IGTV here. Do not go to the IGTV app. Do it from in Instagram. So you do it here. Then you have you pick your you have the plus sign here. So does that work? Yeah. So then you pick your video. Example purpose. I'm not gonna post it. So I'm gonna pick a video. So I got my video, and now I've got the video. And now you can see that you can fill out your title, you can fill out the description, and you do that. And in the description, you can put a clickable link. So you can, I'm gonna test that, put the link of this video in there. So when it's getting reposted, if you're using our, you know, get 100 new followers per day, Instagram selling Instagram mastery course where I explain how you can really monetize your Instagram account and how you can make how you can grow any kind of business through Instagram and automate it so you get more free time. You can actually do the things that you love to do instead of spending all the day on your business. If you want that, go out below here in the description below this video and check our Instagram mastery course. And that will definitely help you. We have support. You can ask questions under the videos and we're always there to help you. But that is a test for later on how I do this. But in this description you can refer, for example, back to your main account where the video is, so that it gets back to that. So, but that is for when you're using automation. If you're just using one account, this Ninja hack, you can put a link to your capture page. You can put a link to your blog. If you can put a link to anywhere you want to link them, you have your audience go. You can do this in IGTV. But the thing is that you see this blue sign, blue check. Post as preview. Really post as preview. So what this does, it will post your video on IGTV, but it will post a preview on your page. And then you use the right combination of hashtags, and even not, Instagram will favorite your video and push it forward. I got 4,500 views, in a few hours I had over 2,500 views. It went really, really fast, and then I started even after other posts, it still got views. And I know I can optimize it and get 10,000 views easily. So this is a ninja trick how to get your message out there, and this is how you get more views on your Instagram videos, because it's a combination of IGTV and your videos here, and you'll get crazy exposure. This is an Instagram algorithm update that works like crazy. So make good use of it right now. And if this was a helpful video, I know it's not really techy going all through this, sharing my screen, but just sharing my phone. But this, shoot a video, post on Instagram or on IGTV, and share on your wall. But it should be done through the Instagram app, not the IGTV app. Instagram app. Make sure you do use the Instagram app. So that being said, guys, I hope this was helpful. If it was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And of course, follow us on our YouTube channel here. Hit the subscribe button here on the screen or below on the button, and tick the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a video. That's it for today. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.